viewers, welcome to another class of Gyanan powered by Wishbag. Today we are going to discuss the implementation of a logic function using gates. As we know, basic logic gates are AND, NOT and OR. Universal gates are NAND and NOR. Apart from these gates, there are also two types of digital logic gates, XOR and XNOR. Now let us see the brief description of XOR and XNOR gates. The equation of XOR gate is Y is equal to A XOR B. Here, A and B are input and the output is denoted by Y. The conditions are when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 0. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 or A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 1. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 0. XNOR gate. The equation of XNOR gate is Y is equal to A XNOR B. Here A and B is input and the output is denoted by Y. The conditions are when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 1. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 or A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 1. Now let's discuss the function implementation using logic gates. Logic gate implementation. Implementation of the function AB plus AB bar. Here we can see there are two variables which are A and B. A and B or A and not B generates AB plus AB bar. Implementation of the function A plus B bar. There are two variables A and B. A or B and A or not B generates A plus B bar. Now before proceeding further, let's discuss the De Morgan's law. A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar B bar. Now let us see what is NOT gate using NAND gate. NOT gate has only one variable which is A. Now applying A to both the inputs of NAND will generate A bar. Also if one input is A and another input is 1, then it will generate A bar. Now we will see NOT gate using NOR gate. Applying A to both the inputs of NOR gate will generate A bar. Also if one input is A and the other input is 0, then it will generate A bar again. Now we will discuss AND, OR, NOR, XOR, XNOR using NAND gate. AND gate using NAND. A NAND B generates AB whole bar. Then AB whole bar through both the inputs of the NAND will generate AB whole bar which is equal to AB. OR gate using NAND. A NAND A will generate A bar. B NAND B will generate B bar. A bar NAND B bar will generate A bar dot B bar whole bar, which is equal to A plus B from the De Morgan's law. NOR gate using NAND. A NAND A generates A bar. B NAND B generates B bar. A bar NAND B bar will generate A bar dot B bar whole double bar, which is equal to A plus B whole bar. XOR gate using NAND gate. A NAND B will generate AB whole bar. Now, A NAND AB whole bar generates A AB whole bar and B NAND AB whole bar generates B AB whole bar whole bar. Finally, A AB bar whole bar NAND B AB bar whole bar generates this at the output. On further simplification, we get AB bar plus A bar B. XNOR gate using NAND. A NAND B generates AB bar. Now, A NAND AB bar generates A AB bar whole bar and B NAND AB bar generates B AB bar whole bar. Finally, A AB bar whole bar NAND B AB bar whole bar generates this, which is A bar B bar plus AB. Now we will know AND, OR, NAND, XNOR, XOR using NOR gate. AND gate using NOR. A NOR A will generate A bar. Similarly, B bar will be generated. At the output side, by using a NOR gate, A bar plus B bar whole bar, which is equal to AB. OR gate using NOR. A NOR B generates A plus B whole bar, A plus B whole bar NOR A plus B whole bar generates A plus B. XNOR gate using NOR. A NOR B generates A plus B whole bar. Now, A NOR A plus B whole bar generates this, and B NOR A plus B whole bar generates this. Finally, A plus B whole bar NOR B plus A plus B whole bar generates the output, which is this. On further simplification, we get the output as A bar B bar plus AB, as we know from previous discussion. Now, NAND gate using NOR. NOR of A generates A bar. NOR of B generates B bar. A bar NOR B bar generates A bar plus B bar whole bar NOR A bar plus B bar whole bar, which generates AB whole bar. XOR gate using NOR. A NOR B generates A plus B bar. Now, A NOR A plus B bar generates A plus B bar whole bar, and B NOR A plus B bar generates B plus B bar whole bar. Then A plus B bar whole bar NOR B plus B bar whole bar generates this. Finally, the NOR of A plus B bar whole bar plus B plus B bar whole bar again generates this, which on further simplification generates A bar B plus AB bar. With this, we have come to the end of this lecture, and today we have learned XNOR and XOR gate, De Morgan's law, basic logic gate implementation using universal gate. So viewers, that's all for this video, and we will meet again with a new topic. Till then, keep learning and keep watching Gyan on Classes. Bye.